Hello everyone. Today we will create a Python program through which we can search data on Wikipedia. Open Jupyter Notebook from Start menu. Click on the new file. So now, we will install Wikipedia library using the pip command in Jupyter Notebook, or you can use PowerShell or command prompt. Let's start coding. Import Wikipedia library first. We will take the query as the variable in which we will use Wikipedia.page function and we will join our input with it. We will take x as variable through which our program will take input, and this input will be searched on Wikipedia. Now we will enter here data we want to search. We will get the output here below. I have entered Python program, so all this highlighted part is the information about it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for further updates.